Hey guys, so I wanted to go live here really quickly because I've been getting a slew of questions about this new overnight resurfacing peel that Beautycounter just came out with. And I thought I would go live with a complete naked face, bare face, meaning I have no anything on my skin as far as makeup goes. I didn't even brush my eyebrows. I have no mascara on. I didn't even put any tinted moisturizer on because I want to show you guys how much this product has even helped my skin. I felt like my skin was getting better in the first place using Beautycounter products, but this is like taking it to the next level. It really does leave your skin with more of a glow, with more radiance, and just overall clarity. It really kind of evens out my skin tone. I get a lot of like redness in here, and I've even had some like acne scars, and it's really, I feel like, helped that a lot. And I also get sometimes like hormonal breakouts here, and it's kind of helped that as well. I don't know how much you can see, but I just wanted to show you because I'm not always one for, I mean, I don't put on makeup every day, obviously, but I also feel like having good skin just makes people more confident, and also makes your makeup go on better. So even if you do wear makeup, it helps. The main thing I've been hearing from most of my clients that have already tried the product is just how much it has shrunk their pores, how much when they wake up in the morning, their skin just looks brighter. It does also help reduce dark spots. I've seen a lot of success also with acne scarring, and a lot of help with that. But I just think like overall complexion, and again, I have no makeup on, no tinted moisturizer, nothing. I just feel like this product is such a gem, and it's so easy to use. And so I just kind of wanted to talk about it a little bit because it is quite a unique product. First of all, it is dairy-free and it is vegan. However, it is not nut-free. There is sweet almond oil, which is derived from almonds, in the product. So just note that. Two, so first of all, it's more like a serum, if you can see this. And if you're used to our face oils, this bottle is much bigger. But it looks more like a serum when it comes out, and you apply it to cleanse skin. So at night, make sure you apply it at night, just because you could apply it in the morning, but it's much better at night. It's an overnight thing. When you sleep, your skin is rejuvenating, working better anyway. And while there's nothing in here like retinol or anything that's harmful in UV light, a lot of the acids and stuff they're better left not into the UV light, I would say. So keep that in mind. It's a nighttime product. But you put it on cleansed skin, and you just take like 2-3 pumps or so and put it all over your face. I don't forget your neck and even like your chest area. I've started to use it on the back of my hands because my sisters and I always laugh that we have like aging old hands. So I'm gonna see how that works too. And so you can use it all, don't forget your face, your neck, your chest area, and like I said, the back of your hands. And you leave it on overnight. After it fully absorbs, after you apply it, like 3 or 4 minutes, you can also apply a moisturizer. You can apply a face oil, but it actually works better with a moisturizer, they say. So just a night cream, something like that, and then go to sleep. In the morning when you wake up, you do not have to wash it off unless that's part of your morning routine. For me, I like to wash my face with a little bit of water and then use one of our toner pads, and then I do my morning routine, which is usually just a serum and a daytime moisturizer after that. And some eye cream. So it's really easy like that. It does not peel your skin. So that's it's a no peel. And what's nice about that is that you're not going to be left with a lot of irritation, or what some peels do is they actually strip away the good stuff too. And so this peel has 9 acids that are working to remove the top layer of your skin, the dead skin. So it acts as more of an exfoliator. And then it has some soothing acids too to help replenish your skin and rejuvenate it so that your skin is not left irritated, no redness, no peeling, that sort of thing. So in that sense, it helps a lot. So I just wanted to go over a couple more things. I was just trying to think of some of the questions I've been getting. One of the main questions I've been getting is, in what order do you use the product? So like I said, at night, clean your skin. I love to double cleanse. I really see a difference when I double cleanse. And by that, I mean just like 2 cleansers. So right now I'm using the Countermatch cleansing milk. Oh my gosh, you guys, that stuff is amazing. It's a little different because it's like milky and it leaves your skin really smooth. And then I like to use the charcoal bar. So that's what I mean by double cleansing. Make sure your skin is really nice and clean. And then you can tone. For a night, I'll just spray like a mist. I like the number 2 plumping mist. And then I'll apply this. And I don't apply it every night, like 3 to 4 times a week you can apply it. On the nights that I don't apply it, I'll maybe use a mask, one of our face masks. I really like that number 2 plumping mask. Or I'll do the cream exfoliator. And then you just follow, and then that's it. After this, let it absorb, and then you put on your night cream and then go to bed. In the morning, like I said, you wake up, cleanse your skin. I apply the toner pads, and then my serum, my anti-aging serum, and day cream, that rejuvenating day cream I just love. It makes my skin feel very soft. And then an eye cream, and then I like the Dew Skin Tinted Moisturizer for SPF. For like it kind of evens out your skin tone and provides the coverage, but doesn't feel like you're wearing any makeup. It has a little bit of a tint to it though. But so that's the order of products that you would use, the order and how you'd use the peel. Let's see, anybody else have any other questions? Oh, Jen, I'm glad you think, I know this stuff, honestly, I mean, I just keep getting messages back from clients. Like, this stuff is amazing. It really is like magic in a bottle. And what's nice about all Beautycounter products too, which I really love and appreciate, is that you can buy the product, try them, the full-size products, use them for 60 days. If you don't love them for any reason, a prepaid return label comes in the box in the US. I don't think this is available yet in Canada, but a prepaid return label comes in the box, and you can simply slap that label back on and return it for a full refund. So you get to actually try the full-size bottles, see what they do for your skin, for your hair, for your baby, for your sunscreen, for your makeup, and then whatever you don't like, you don't have to worry about calling me up and saying, I don't know about this, or feeling weird or anything like that. You just return it. It's really simple, and it's okay if you have to return something. You know, not everything is for everybody. So don't feel bad about it, but try it, because your skin, I mean, like, who doesn't want amazing, awesome skin, you know? So let's see what other questions that I sometimes get. I'm just kind of going through some questions I sometimes get. If you have sensitive skin, I was a little weary to recommend this for sensitive skin at first, but now I've heard all sorts of great success stories with people with sensitive skin. If you do, just like any product, do a spot test first. You know, don't go all out the first night. Spot test, see how it's working for you. If it looks like it's working, awesome. If you have really dry skin, you know, just make sure to follow it. This won't dry out your skin. I haven't found that dry out my skin. I haven't heard of anybody that has found that it dries out your skin. But if, you know, you have dry skin, just apply, you know, moisturize, moisturize, moisturize. Even if you have acne-prone skin, I think that's one of the things that I've seen most people do wrong, is they don't moisturize enough with acne-prone skin, and they're not exfoliating, so they're not getting their pores unclogged and that sort of thing. So moisturize, 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 no matter what kind of skin you have. But dry skin, especially after the peel, let it soak in, then apply a moisturizer. Let's see, other questions. How long before you start seeing results? So this can vary, of course, depending on what you're trying to target. I'm finding like overall complexion, brighter skin, people are seeing, and smoother skin, people are seeing results the next morning. They're just feeling a difference in their skin. So it works pretty quickly. But if you're really trying to like reduce acne, scarring, or dark spots, I think it just takes a little bit longer. You know, they say if you're using it a few times a week, I would, you know, plan on having it go several weeks to really notice a difference. But take some before pictures, and make sure you're doing it in the same lighting, the same time of day. Before and after pictures, I love them because they show what can really happen. But I also hate them because, you know, I can turn one way or the other way, and my skin might look different times a day, different lighting. And you never know if people are hormonal or if they've gotten other facial treatments and stuff. But you know what you've been doing and what you're going through and what you're eating and all that affects to your skin. So you take your before picture and then slowly start to see if you're seeing results and how quickly you're seeing results. But as far as smooth skin, more radiant complexion, that should happen pretty quickly, like one use. Is it safe for pregnancy, nursing, that sort of thing? All Beautycounter products are safe. Of course, talk to your doctor, but we are pretty strict. We still follow our same really strict ingredient selection process, even when making this peel, and we vet all those ingredients for safety. But nonetheless, everybody is a little different. Everybody has different sensitivities, allergies, that sort of thing. So is it allergy free? That depends on your allergies. If you have allergies to almonds, then no, because this has almond oil, a sweet almond oil, I believe. But yeah, as far as nursing pregnant, you should be good to go. Again, check with your doctor though. Any other questions that I'm missing? I already said it does not contain dairy. It does contain the almonds. It is gluten free. Let's see. I think that's pretty much it, guys. If you have any other questions, let me know. I think, again, I don't think you can go wrong with this. I've noticed a difference in my skin. Like I said, I have nothing on. I didn't even brush my eyebrows for you. I'm sorry. And it should last a while. I mean, this bottle is pretty hefty, as all Beautycounter products, and a lot of you tell me over and over again, these products they last a long time, so they end up being very well worth it. And I know a lot of times people are like, I just can't afford them, but let me tell you what clear skin does to people, and how confident you feel, and how you feel like you need less products, and you stop wasting money trying a bunch of things. With all of our products, we do not use filler ingredients. Every single ingredient has a purpose. So typically what a lot of my clients find is when they're even comparing it to something as cheap as like a drugstore brand, that Beautycounter's products just last longer. They work better. And so at the end of the day, they end up spending the same amount of money on drugstore products. They just need more of it. They have to buy it more often. Than Beautycounter products. So keep that in mind too. I mean, I don't think Beautycounter's products are super cheap, and we never claim to be, but they work, and they're awesome, and they look after your long-term health, and I don't think you can ask for more than that in a company, and with complete transparency. So if you guys want to try this, let me know, and if you have any other questions, of course, feel free to reach out to me at any time. I'll talk to you later.